It's a rainy day in Redondo Beach. There's the beach. Lots of seagulls. And there's Gibson, nice and wet. Gibbles, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Say hi, little wet guy. Yeah. And there's Buddha, nice and wet. Oh boy. And then here's me in my raincoat. Yeah, so happy to be out on this rainy day. But you know what? We've got to do what we've got to do. Oh wow, look at that beautiful pelican. Very cool. All the seagulls. It's very pretty. Very pretty, but very wet. Anyway, signing off. This is Friday, February. Yesterday was nice and sunny. Gotta love California, yay. And that is it. Have a great weekend, guys.